Solved problems. Sales ledger control account. Reconciliation of sales ledger control account with schedule of debtors. Problem. On 30th June 2006, a schedule of debtors extracted from Coleman's sales ledger totaled 15,400, but the balance on the sales ledger control was 15,816. The following errors were found later. A debtor's balance of 345 had been omitted from the list of debtors. B. A discount allowed of 60 had been correctly recorded in the cash book but entered in the customer's account as a 6. C. The sales return day book had been undercast by 250. D. A credit note of 150 issued to a customer was completely omitted from the books. E. The discount allowed column in the cash book was overcast by 125. Required. 1. Starting with original total, make the necessary adjustment to the schedule of debtors. 2. Stating with the original balance, prepare a revised sales ledger control account. Solution. In the books of Coleman, schedule of debtors, date, particulars, amount. 30th June 2006. Balance as per sales ledger 15,400. Add debtors balance omitted 345. Add discount allowed overcast 125. Total addition 470. Less discount allowed wrongly credited 60 minus 6 minus 54. Balance as per sales ledger control account 15,400 plus 470 minus 54 15,816. Further adjustments. Less sales returns daybook undercast minus 250. Credit note issued to customer not entered anywhere 150. Closing balance 15,416. In the books of Coleman, sales ledger control account. On the debit side, 30th June 2006, balance as per sales ledger 15,400. Debtors balance omitted 345. Discount allowed overcast 125. On the credit side, discount allowed wrongly recorded 60 minus 6 54. Balance carried down 15,816. On the debit side, balance brought 15,816. Now further adjustments. On the credit side, credit note issued to customer 150 nowhere recorded and sales returns undercast by 250 now credited 250. Balance carried down 15,416. Closing balance as per sales ledger control account. On the debit side, balance brought down 15,416. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.